Hi, I'm Mats Kjellberg. Today we'll be showcasing the CCpilot V700, the first product in a series of display computers based on the IMX8X application processor. For you who don't know cross-control, we're a business providing display and computing products for the off-highway markets like agriculture, construction, and material handling. We're a global business with sales and field application teams in North America, Europe, and China. And we have system integration partners throughout the world.
For off-highway equipment, we see a trend towards making the display a pure visualization unit, specialized for running graphical user interface applications in the most efficient way.
By separating base vehicle control from HMI, telematics, and productivity tools, you achieve a separation of concern, and the different system parts can have a distinct life cycle. Following the evolution of the automotive space, we believe that a lot of the machine innovation going forward will be centered around operator support systems and productivity tools. Provided that you've chosen a display with the right capabilities, you have the opportunity to upsell such enhancements through software updates.
To give an example, you can add a camera or object detection application to the display system without having to make changes to base vehicle control. There is also a physical factor to this. By avoiding a lot of direct I/O integrated with the display, you can more easily place it in the cab where it makes most sense from visibility and line of sight perspective.
The V700 features a wide VGA 7-inch screen with IPS technology, meaning that screen content can be viewed in wide viewing angles.
And it has a PCAP multi-touch panel offering operators a direct and intuitive way to interact with the system. PCAP touch technology is continuously evolving, and this touchscreen can be operated with gloves and is less sensitive to interference from water drops.
Like I mentioned initially, the V700 comes with an IMX8X application processor.
This processor family has been widely adopted in the automotive and on-highway markets, and we are proud to be one of the very first suppliers to offer it in a product for off-highway equipment. A key benefit with the IMX8X is its best-in-class graphics performance, and we will be sharing some benchmarks later in this presentation. External interfaces include two CAN buses for integration with the vehicle control architecture, USB for media, peripherals and software updates, and finally Ethernet for onboard and remote networking as well as digital camera integration. The base platform has support for a built-in Bluetooth chip to support, for example, phone integration and wireless peripherals. The V700 comes with our standard Linux image, and customers can also build their custom image based on our board support package. We've been working a lot to trim down the boot time, and the V700 cold boots in less than 5 seconds. Even shorter boot times can be achieved by customizing the boot sequence. With the V700, we also provide our open applications platform based on Qt. In this platform, we offer pre-built components for a wide spectrum of solutions, including instrumentation, video monitoring, embedded manuals and PDFs, mapping, and more.
The V700 is based on our next generation technology platform for display computing solutions.
This technology platform is the basis for both commercial off-the-shelf products like the V700 and custom OEM products. The platform is manifested in a modular suite of circuit boards for various functions like application processor board, various external interface boards, and TFT display interface boards, all with supporting software. These boards can be combined for fast creation of fully functional prototypes. With such prototypes, you can speed up conceptual design work and validate early the specification of the wanted display computing solution.
To give some color on the width of the platform, it supports various application processors in the IMX8 family.
TFT panels in various sizes, traditional wired interfaces like CAN, USB, Ethernet and I/O, wireless interfaces like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and also emerging interfaces like broader reach and gigabit Ethernet.
I mentioned earlier the open software platform that comes with the V700 and all other CC display products. Now Lisa Åstrand, Embedded Software Manager, will talk about operating system and embedded software.
Thanks, Mats. Link's Core is the base of our software platform and provides both API and application environment for both our ARM and x86 devices. Linux Core includes our own version of the world's most popular operating system, Linux, as well as all the necessary firmware and development tools needed to enable complete platform functionality. Cross-Control's flavor of Linux is called CCLinux and has been purpose-built for all our devices. The goal has been to simplify the process of adapting and implementing new software into our and our customers' systems. CCLinux is a cross-platform distribution which works with all cross-control devices. Regardless of the device's architecture, x86 or ARM, the API and application environment are identical. CCLinux is an open and complete Linux distribution which comes with the benefit of being supported by thousands of engineers worldwide. This allows for quick integration of existing applications into cross-control hardware. Customers are not limited to a proprietary operating system, and there is no need to recode applications in any predefined language. Our customers are free to choose the best implementation path themselves. They are supported in developing the solutions they need by working with and not against the skills and resources they already have. CCLinux is based on the industry standard Yocto project. CCpilot V700 comes with the latest release of CCLinux 2.0, which includes the Linux kernel 5.4. Cross-Control continuously releases new updates of CCLinux to existing products, adding functionality and increasing value over time. This also allows customers purchasing several different cross-control products to get alignment of the same features. In addition to CCLinux, Cross-Control also provides all the necessary firmware to get full control over platform functionality. Our firmware includes power handling and supervises the system from startup to shutdown. This ensures system integrity, reliability, and stability. Product configuration and hardware access is easily available through the CCaux API. Available as a C and C++ API, the hardware is just a few lines of code away. The same C and C++ functions can be used for all cross-control devices, making for a smooth transition between products. If you want to get started even before touching any code, the pre-installed CC Settings application can be used to quickly configure basic product configurations, such as the color of the status LED or changing the display backlight. Software development kits, or SDKs, are available for all cross-control products, allowing customers in-house and third-party developers the tools they need to develop their own applications. The SDK contains all the necessary header and library file in order for customer applications to fully access the device hardware. For customers seeking a higher level of control, Cross-Control provides a board support package, BSP, which allows the customers to build and maintain their own version of Linux. This enables higher volume programs to build their own version of Linux that is customized to fulfill the needs of their application requirements. Thanks to the contents of Linux Core, CCLinux, and firmware, customers can be up and running with their application quickly. Transition between cross-control products have never been simpler. Now, our software platforms manager, Ken Lindfors, will talk about use cases for the CCpilot V700.
Thanks, Lisa. On top of our embedded software and firmware, we have our application development toolchain. It consists of a pre-configured virtual machine that can be installed on any computer, or as pre-built SDKs, compiler, and IDE to be installed on a native Linux PC. The foundation of that toolchain is based on Qt and Qt Creator, where we've added more things to simplify for the programmer and to make the programmer more efficient in the development and test phase. It comes with a compiler, examples, templates, and also with a CAN bus configurator, everything integrated into the same package. Since Qt Creator does not have any good support for high-level CAN protocols, and most CAN-based vehicle systems today are using J1939 and CANopen, we have developed a add-on component called Fieldbus Access. Fieldbus Access is made as a configurator plugin to Qt Creator that makes it easy to add and select the needed CAN signals and also to take care of network management for both J1939 and CANopen. Our software platform are offering the developers a freedom of choice with a wide range of supported programming languages, software, and development tools, including the most common ones like Qt, QML, C and C++, and Codesys, but also other popular languages as HTML5, Python, and JavaScript. Qt is usually our customer's first choice due to the great global support and is widely used around the world and in many different industries. Its absolute strength is to create modern and fluent user interfaces and interaction, utilizing the hardware accelerated rendering built in the application processors. It also provides a very open architecture, making it easy to integrate other peripheral devices and third-party software. Codesys, for instance, is the industry's most widely used soft PLC, which is very good and suitable for building robust control systems with critical control functions, and also has great and integrated support for all types of field buses. You can even make graphics front ends to your application with the Codesys. And some customers even combine Qt and Codesys to get the best out of the two worlds, using Codesys for the control functions and Fieldbus connectivity, and using Qt for making a user-friendly and modern user interaction. If you are familiar with programming of web applications and have been using HTML or any of its derivatives, you can even build HTML5 applications on our platform, using whatever favorite dev toolchain you like. And it runs with surprisingly good performance. The platform supports integrating peripherals to add functionality. For example, digital Ethernet cameras. Our open software platform allows any camera brand to be paired with the CCpilot V700, and we have pre-validated the industry's leading brands to speed up the process. One advantage with Ethernet cameras is that you can connect many cameras to the same Ethernet connector and show several camera streams simultaneously on the same screen. Showing multiple video streams on a single screen is one thing, but the power of CrossControl's new product line also supports the emerging trend of filtering and real-time analysis of the video stream, facilitating new technologies like object detection for increased safety awareness and productivity. To create a more usable multifunctional display, we make use of a window manager compositor based on the WLAN protocol. This enables the CCpilot V700 to run multiple independent applications on the same screen. It also means you can mix different types of applications, for example Qt, Codesys, OpenGL and HTML5. With this way of handling the applications, you can enable unlocking of new levels of functionality for your customers and build a clear path to install and deploy new applications when they are ready. You can also pretty easily customize your own compositor to create your own multi-application experience. Software content is and will be one of the most important key differentiators for the OEMs, and CrossControl are supporting our customers by investing heavily into software platforms, software tool chains, and solutions. This is an important innovation breeding arena. Mats, do you have anything to add?
Thanks, Ken. With best-in-class graphics performance, short boot time, and software support for a broad range of HMI functionality, we really think that the V700 ticks boxes for a wide range of off-highway vehicle applications. The product has been very well received by early adopters. Please contact us for a live demonstration of V700 capabilities. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.